welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm doing another Halloween look. I know you guys are probably like, oh my gosh, I'm sick of it already, but you're just gonna have to deal with it because I am enjoying this process so much. I'm just gonna keep going and going and going and hope and pray that I can keep my word to 31 days of Halloween looks. So 31 makeup days in a row is a lot for my face, so I'm definitely going to be doing some masking and really keeping things clean and hydrated as best I can throughout this whole month. Wish me luck. But for today we are going to be doing more of a scary themed look. It is going to be mostly black and white. I think I would probably describe this as kind of voodoo, witchy, scary mom, look away, don't watch this video kind of look. Let's go ahead and hop right into it, and I can show you guys a few things that I have already learned through this process. So I finally did the smart thing, you guys, and went into the Halloween store, what is it called? Spirit Halloween, yeah. I went in there and just walked right up to the counter, because there's always like 6 or 7 people back there just kind of like welcoming you and walking around, I don't know. But I walked right up to the girl at the counter and I was like, girl, can you please help me? I was like, I'm trying to do 31 days of makeup looks and I need better makeup. I'm like, the stuff that I've been getting, it's not working, it's horrible, it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing. And so she recommended that I get the grease type of makeup rather than the cream type of makeup, and she just kind of said that if I'm looking to like blend something or make a really good sharp line, that the grease makeup is what I'm looking for. Like seriously, can't they come up with a better name? It's makeup and you're calling it grease, and it's just like Anyways, we're gonna get right into this, and hopefully this look will turn out the way I want it to. It's quite simple, so you should be able to keep up with it with what I'm doing. So let's get into it. Let's just pray that this works this time. Ooh, it already looks better. Oh yes, this is way better than the cream. The cream, it never goes like in your, there's no stickiness to it. So every time you touch it to your face, it pulls it off. I suppose I should probably take my earrings off, but I don't know why I'm like one of those strange people that like, I hate putting my earrings in and out. I wish I could just like live in them kind of. Sleep in them. Eat in them. I mean, these earrings right here, go ahead and bury me in them because I love them. I love them. You guys, grease makeup is the way to go. Such a gross name though, like, look at that coverage, you guys. So much coverage. Wow, what a world of difference between the grease and the cream. Oh. This is the shade Michigan January. This is what we look like in Michigan in January. We're going to do some dead white face powder now. I ripped the package open first before I showed you. My bad. And I'm going to use my beauty blender and just see if we can't do it with that. So that it's, you know, on there, but it's not, hopefully not as heavy as it could be. Okay, this is not looking good. I tell you what, Halloween makeup. It is a trial and error situation. And I have had a lot of that. But that's what I keep telling everybody is, you know what? This is like kind of a crazy commitment to do 31 days of makeup, but I feel like it's like shoving me into turbo mode to learn about like, not like even just like the FX kind of side or specialty makeup that I'm doing right now. It's not even really about that, just like learning about manipulating makeup and, you know, maybe manipulating a shape of a face or shape of an eye or skin tone. Let me see if it says anything about how to apply this powder. Safe ingredients. It says talc in it. I just read that. Yay! Alright, so this is the little sponge it came with. Let's give her a go, shall we? It says to go across my face. Wow. So, I don't think I want to do that. Can I just press it in? Press it in, press it in. I mean, as far as the girl's concerned, this was the best I could do. Like, the best makeup they had. I was like, girl, I'm shooting videos. I need something decent. So I'm thinking maybe Party City would be a good place to go, like, if you need to do this when it's not Halloween season and Spirit Halloween is nowhere to be found. Definitely, like, kind of smudging in a few areas. That's annoying. Smooth and white. The sponge keeps like making a crease in my face. Okay, time to pull out the brushes that I don't care about what happens to. The girl said to set it with translucent powder, so I'm just gonna go in with my Coty Airspun, I think, because that's really... See? The Mama Mitchell technique is good for everything. So the translucent powder worked, it just kind of feels like gray now. I definitely want it to be black. So, let's move on to the next eye. Well, well, well. I'm gonna use the white cream. Oh, sorry. After everything I've just learned and said. The grease. I'm going to use the white grease to sharpen up my black lines, hopefully.
Oh yes, that'll work.
those eyes are about as good as they're gonna ever get. Are they scary yet? No? Okay, let me do the mouth. That should get scarier. Need a smaller brush. Ooh. This is a good small one. Alright, let's do some lines. I don't want them to be like perfect, but I want them to look nice.
Hi.
Got on your face tissue? How many times have you blown your nose in the last 2 minutes?
Just 2.
Maybe like 5. You should probably put a little bit of lotion on your nose, okay? So it doesn't...
Yeah, I got slime.
Oh, you're playing with your slime. I see what's happening here. Here, you want to come say hi to the world too?
Hello.
For a little extra zhuzh on the lips, I want to add my Wet n Wild. It's called Shady Witch. It's their new liquid catsuit shade. I want to put some on there. Just on the edge. It's time for some finishing touches. So I'm going to do a couple of little things here. Okay, so I'm just now realizing that I do not have a brush that has a tiny pointed tip. I have a brush with a tiny tip, but it's not pointed. Anyways, we're going to go in with my actual eyeliner and hope for the best. What I hate more than anything else when it comes to anything regarding makeup. Now this is probably true for many other things, but I'm just talking about makeup right now. Skincare, any of that mess. Packaging. Ooh! Packaging is so annoying on stuff. I mean, holla in the comments below if you agree with me. Like, everything is federally wrapped. Not for your pleasure. Why is the water on? Who's running the water for like 10 years? I feel like I'm my mother. Every time you do something, you have to fix what just got messed up. I would just say if you've got plans to do Halloween makeup, make it an all-day commitment, because something's gonna go wrong at least.
I am doing a million times to figure out this look. And I get the gem to stick on my face. I highly doubt it. I'm failing hard.
Need one of those little jewelry grafters. All right, Lizzie, I'm coming.
Pause.
I'm coming. All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching all my Halloween tutorials. And if you want to see more, there's plenty of videos linked down below, not to mention there's more to come. And so keep on watching, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye.